Welcome to the Brothers Barn. I'm James.
I'm Isaac.
And we're here doing a commercial property, so we just thought we'd kind of show you guys what it's looking like and what it'll look like when it's done. Hopefully get it nice and cleaned up.
Yep. It's awful greasy and dirty. He'll show you here soon.
So we got this whole back side here that they want cleaned. We got everything set up already, and then we're walking up to the worst part of it, which you can see right there. You see all that grease and algae. So look how nasty that is. So gotta get all this cleaned up. Got some more. Now they did not want us to do the concrete, so now if everything goes super fast, maybe we'll be nice, but other than that, we're just doing the walls. And here's the other side, so you guys can kind of see all this. This one's not as bad, so which is good. But you can see this one's kind of nasty looking.
Handprints everywhere.
Yep. So. And then we also got to clean behind these. I don't know what all that is.
I don't know what happened here. Something happened. Oh, it looks like someone threw eggs at it.
Oh, it does.
I bet that's what happened.
They got egged. And we got all this side. We're not doing the brick over there, just this. But
there's some graffiti.
Did someone?
You know, you could tell what it was.
Did someone order a penis? So yeah, we gotta remove that, which shouldn't be too bad. But so it's 9:30 in the morning right now, and we're gonna see how long this will take. Leave a comment below. Let us know how long you guys think it'll take us to get this all nice and cleaned. All right, I'm gonna spray some chemical on this. Let it dwell. Let that dwell for a few minutes before Isaac comes and washes it away. Kind of see some of the grease just running off. See that? Look at that. Just with me putting a second coating on, so hopefully this will come off fairly easy. Might as well clean all the piping, right guys? Getting a lot of air in our line here, so we're fighting it. Look at that. Freaking air. Fortunate is not working with us today. Of course it's not. started doing rust removal. Now we got a lot of air in our lines, so we have got to figure that out. But normally we wouldn't do this with wood fence, but we're doing it today just because the client doesn't care. They just want it looking good, and this will make it looking good. So they didn't want to spend the money to have it completely done correctly, so we're just going to SH it and take care of it. Yeah, this air in this line is driving me crazy. You guys got a system that you like, that we should be upgrading to? Make sure you leave in the comments. On the comments, so because we're looking at getting something better. We've been having a little bit of issue with this proportioner, and it's 12 volts, so kind of want to go to either air or gas. So if you guys got some recommendations, please leave it in the comments, and we're going to do some research. Trying to find something a little bit better that's going to hold up better than what we've been dealing with. So leave them below, man. Got her all nice and cleaned up. Everything's looking good. Again, the biggest thing was getting all the grease off. So